The Changing Perspectives Educator Portal offers an affordable, customizable, subscription-based solution that provides pre-K through 12 educators with standards-aligned curriculum resources to foster social-emotional learning and well-being. Why social-emotional learning? Research shows that social-emotional skills help students succeed in school and beyond by 1. Improving academic performance and increasing graduation rates, 2. Reducing negative social behaviors and avoiding peer pressure, 3. Managing their emotions and behaviors to make responsible decisions, 4. Communicating effectively to maintain healthy relationships. Designed by educators for educators, our curriculum provides a collection of learning resources organized within the 5 CASEL competencies. Subscribers will have access to a variety of developmentally appropriate curriculum resources, including but not limited to personal reflections, collaborative activities, book and video explorations, guided discussions, arts-based projects, and more. Implementation guides are readily available to support effective educator teaching of social-emotional learning. With an annual subscription to our Educator Portal, subscribers can access resources anywhere, anytime, with our easy-to-navigate online platform, tailor lessons to the specific needs of students with our customizable curriculum, plan and share lessons, as well as assess student performance with the portal's built-in features, empower families through competency-focused family newsletters, engage Spanish-speaking students and families with bilingual materials. Join a community of educators who are already using the Changing Perspectives Educator Portal to transform how they teach social-emotional learning. Subscribe today